but unbeaten at the end, 54-49. And the president, Mohammed Nabi, 44-27. That ensured that Afghanistan got
recovery for Afghanistan. And Garawa, 3 for 28, 1 for 26 in 4 overs for Muzaravani, 1 for 35 for Gwandu, and 1 wicket for Welling.
Ready, a bit of swing out there for him. Really sharp in swing from wide of the wicket. And what they have done for Brian Bennett. And it's a reverse, the slog sweep from Marumani. And he gets a boundary of the first delivery he faces.
I see the joy on your face.
And that's in the air. And that's going to be caught. Yes, it is. And that is a well-worked wicket for Afghanistan as Marumani is the one who perishes.
Fielders can be outside the 30-yard circle. Naveenul Haq now bowling this full. Nothing wrong with the foot over there. And Marumani just going with a flick. One shot too many. Azmatul Omar.
Continue from the city end. And that's been smashed. It's the first bad ball he's bowled today. And Brian Bennett, who's been struggling.
Good shot. Takes the aggressive option. One bounce and into the fence for 4. Myers with the bounce. Great given and cut away. And cut away powerfully, fiercely for 4. Back-to-back boundaries. He's putting pressure back on Rashid Khan. Good given and catched on big time. Beautifully played. Into the gap on the offside for 4. Bennett with a brilliant 4.
Yeah, this is a really good shot.
What a beauty from Brian Bennett. Man into his third over. That's found the gap, but don't worry about the gap. It's gone all the way from Dion Myers.
And that is across the line from Brian Bennett. He's got it into the hole and he's found that boundary in the over.
Goes down the ground. Now, he won't get there. Rashid Khan, and it'll go away for 4. Gone up in the air. And this is going to be out. Very simple catch taken.
The angle from around the wicket. This one carries on straight. As Dion Myers is looking for turn here. Looking to get it between car corner and long on. And it finds the outside edge.
Now that's gone for 4. That could also be a no ball. Across the stumps to get access. He goes down the ground, Sikandar Raza. 1 bounce, 4 runs. Struck and taken. Outstanding catch.
You need to watch how well he moves here, because Raza has actually got this one off the middle of the bat. Thought it was a boundary, but he's moved a long way to his right. And
Swept away and swept well for all the way for 6.
Well, Ryan Burl can do that. He shuffles across. He knows now he's going to bowl with the angle. And all he does is guides it nicely for a maximum.
Oh, yes. Oh, he says he wants to affect the game. Afghanistan will not roll over.
You can't keep him out of the game. This one just doing enough.
Left it and heaved in the air. No! Cannot get the distance. Rashid Khan, 2 wickets in the over.
Now that's the longer side of the boundary. Rashid Khan is bowling it nicely, and Ryan Burl, after hitting that one big shot.
Slow delivery in the air. Rashid Khan gone. Undone by some smart bowling.
Takes the wicket. More importantly, it's a dot. Look at how he rolls his fingers. A cutter doesn't get the pace on it to his liking. Remember, these are long boundaries.
Nasakadza. Heave through the onside. Does it penetrate the gap? Yes, it does. Opens his account with the boundary. They're staying alive, Ozzy. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! 1 bounce 4.
Almost similar start to the over that we saw.
He does it! Oh, yes! With a boundary! What a way to start What a way to learn. Kashinga Musekiwa from Kadoma to Harare wins the game for Zimbabwe.
Yeah, another hero for Zimbabwe. They lead the series 1-0, and for the first time, they beat Afghanistan in Harare.
Musekiwa does it in the end with 16 off.